Hey guys, it's Jesse. Welcome to Brick Design. Today I'm showing you how to build gumball machines. There's something about gumball machines that I just love. They're classic and nostalgic and they just look really good. And as you can see, I'm going to use sprinkles to fill them and emulate that gumball look. I believe other countries call them hundreds and thousands, and I've also seen other people do this, and I've seen people use little tiny beads as well. Either way, I'm going to show you two different ways that you can fill these without making a huge mess everywhere. For this first one, basically, as you can see, just fill the lid with some of the sprinkles and then grab a pair of tweezers, hold the brick or the piece that you're filling, and just hold it over the canister and fill it up. Okay, for the next one, I used the tweezers again, but instead of pouring, I just scooped the Lego piece into the sprinkles. If you don't want to dip your whole piece into your whole can of sprinkles, then just pour some of them out and do the same thing. So if you're wondering how long these are going to last inside of a Lego brick, I have had some in a clear Lego brick for about 6 years now, and nothing has changed. It seems to be just fine. If anything, they're just being kept and preserved even better. So if you guys enjoy this video, please give it a like and subscribe if you haven't already. If you are new here, thank you so much for watching, and go ahead and go back and watch all of my previous tutorials. I have done 30 builds in 30 days now with this video, and it has been an absolute blast. So I have many more tutorials planned, so stay tuned, and thank you guys again for watching.